अभी अभी थिएटर के बाहर से मैंने शैतान पिक्चर देख के आया, स्टारिंग अजय देवगन, आर माधवन एंड ज्योतिका. This movie is a supernatural thriller movie. It's a remake of that Gujarati film Vash. Okay, that Gujarati original movie I couldn't catch up because it's not available in any OTT platform. Neither it telecasted on TV, nowhere it telecasted, so I couldn't catch up with that film. So I went to watch this movie Shaitan, and I must say that it's a super hit film. Super hit, power-packed thriller experience. Full thrill it will give from starting till the end. 2 hours 15 minutes movie. 2 hours 15 minutes movie. It's a full of roller coaster ride and it's a full of thrills. एक ही घर में शूटिंग किया है पूरा पिक्चर. एक ही घर में सिवाय क्लाइमैक्स और स्टार्टिंग वो एक चाय का दुकान में शूटिंग किया है. बाकी सब एक ही घर में शूटिंग किया है. लेकिन जिस इंटरेस्टिंग से स्क्रीन प्ले लिखा है, especially the screenplay taken shot by shot from the original movie, Vash movie. That is, the screenplay was written by Krishnadev Yagnik. Here Vikas Bahl has taken the adapted screenplay. That one is, जिस तरह से screenplay लिखा है, that is कमाल का screenplay यार, कमाल का screenplay, and Vikas Bahl has directed it perfectly. He has maintained the essence of the original. Means I didn't catch up the original, but the way he has made the remake, seriously, it's superb. It's absolutely superb. कमाल का direction यार, लाजवाब, shot by shot, it's brilliant. It's absolutely brilliant the way. Seriously, I had doubts on Vikas Bahl because Vikas Bahl previous movies Ganpat Alare Ala, that was a super mega ultra disaster of the mega buster of the useless of the fuck all. That one was that Ganpat Alare Ala. It couldn't even collect 10 crores box office. That Ganpat Alare Ala, that action packed film, whatever that kachada was. So I was scared that Vikas Bahl has made that movie, so it'll be this movie he'll do pura kachada. Lekin I think Ajay Devgan only has directed this movie, and Ajay Devgan pura दाने दाने में केसर का स्वाद डाला, बोलो जुबान केसरी बोला, और पूरा मतलब सुपर हिट स्क्रीन प्ले लग दिया. पूरा दाने दाने सीन बाय सीन केसर का दम था पूरा पिक्चर में. बेसिकली द मूवी इज ऑल अबाउट black magic. Okay, black magic. So that family will be there, Ajay Devgan, then Jyotika, then one son will be there and one daughter will be there. They'll go for one trip, okay, road trip they'll be going. So suddenly they'll meet this R Madhavan, who is the villain in this movie. They'll meet, then R Madhavan will somehow meet them accidentally, and then will chit chat with the family. So in meantime, while chit chatting, he'll give one goli. He'll give that goalie and he'll hypnotize that girl and he'll make him fully, matlab, that girl will be fully hypnotized and will be under the kabza of this R Madhavan. So R Madhavan, whatever he says, that girl will follow basically. So how Ajay Devgan get rid of that black magic, how he protects the daughter. Other than his daughter, is there any other children who are trapped by this R Madhavan, dangerous, deadly shaitan or not? This forms the rest of the story and this forms the rest of the screenplay. So some of the scenes are absolutely electrifying, and the performances, especially R Madhavan, starting till the end, means till the climax, R Madhavan ne pura, matlab, he has taken the screen by storm actually. R Madhavan, he has ripped apart everybody. He was the shining star. R Madhavan, what a performance he has given here. R Madhavan, oh, like that he is giving each and every activities when that girl was doing, like slapping herself, then eating the tea powder, then putting gas stove stations, then in front of the inspector and everything. All the activities, whatever the girl was doing. After that, that Madhavan, the expression he is giving, right? जो मजा आ रहा था उसको, जो एक्सप्रेशन दिया है ना, जो गुस्सा आता है पब्लिक को उसके ऊपर, he has pitch perfected the role. He has aced the role. That villain's character is more powerful than the hero's character. That Ajay Devgan's character actually. Seriously, hats off to Ajay Devgan. Despite being such a big superstar, he has given full meteor role to R Madhavan itself, not to himself. Actually, I thought Ajay Devgan will get a heavy role, but R Madhavan has got a meteor role here. Means really good. Means he has done perfectly natural acting and he has done full justice to that role here. Especially after the interval, he'll burn all the money and everything and he'll tell that paisa mujhe kharid nahi sakta hai. I want to take your daughter away to my land. Like that, the way he will saying, right? He is absolutely superb. Then full casually, he'll be sleeping in the couch and he'll be telling that girl to dance and everything. Means he's terrific, guys. That R Madhavan is absolutely natural and he's terrific. It didn't even look like he's acting. It is tailor-made role for him. It is looking like he was born to play this role. He was simply superb. Then Ajay Devgan as the helpless father. he was also superb. Means with his eyes he is acting. Not much dialogues are there, not much punch dialogues are there, not much action is there, but still with his eyes he's doing, with his expressions he's doing his acting. And pura dimag ka khel hai pura. The way he'll trap that R Madhavan, seriously at last climax it will reveal. Pura matlab superb that one was by Ajay Devgan. He has also, as a helpless father, he has acted really well, and that climax, seriously, pura matlab it went 360 degree. Climax, Ajay Devgan was better than Madhavan. Climax, obviously, because the plot is written in such a way. And 1 year later, another scene is that post-credit scene, before the credit scene is there, that scene was superb. He'll say that, जब एक आम इंसान अपने बच्चे को इतना प्यार करता है ना, तो वो बच्चे के लिए भगवान बन जाता है. That the way he expressed to Madhavan and everything. And he will say that, अब ये तेरा नर्क है और मैं तेरा शैतान. That was superb. So Ajay Devgan as a helpless father, he was also top notch. Though Madhavan shined, means Madhavan played as a main lead, his character was more powerful, but whatever role Ajay Devgan has got, it's absolutely superb. Means he also has done fully justice to his role. Then Jyotika also, not much role is there as a helpless mother. She was really good, especially when she'll be slapping herself and everything. And at the gas station, her expression was really numb and she was very helpless. With her eyes, she also acted. Not much dialogues is there. And one more Chaku wala scene where she'll attack Madhavan. That scene was really good, and the way she'll bite Madhavan and everything, that scene you should see. That fight scene also was really good. One scene was there. So she also acted really well. But the daughter of Ajay Devgan and Jyotika, that character was there, who was there in that original movie also. She was first rate, guys. She was first rate. After Madhavan, she is the second best performer in this movie. She was absolutely hypnotized. She was absolutely hypnotized, and it was looking like she's completely hypnotized. No sign of coming back at all. Like that she's acting. The way she'll go against her parents, the way she'll slap Ajay Devgan, the way she'll chase her brother and everything, the way she'll behave while dancing, the way she'll chew the tea paper and everything, means tea चाय पत्ता और वो सब होता है. फिर जो जिस तरह से इंस्पेक्टर के सामने बिहेव करता है, मतलब पूरा, मतलब she was absolutely brilliant. Along with R Madhavan and her role, these two roles were absolutely brilliant. Means these two roles were the highlight role of this movie. So main credit has to go to that original director Krishnadev Yagnik, who has directed that Vash movie. The screenplay, the concept and the direction and everything was top notch. Here also Vikas Bahl has directed it perfectly. He has kept the essence of the original and he has directed it perfectly. Not even a single dull moment is there. Only one thing was disappointed is that why Madhavan is doing such Vashakarniya, and why he is hypnotizing, and why is he using black magic, what is his purpose, what is his intention, and all that was not convincing enough. It is showing that he just wants to become Bhagwan and he just wants to show the power. I thought there'll be some backstory and that flashback and everything, emotional connect will be there. But he is absolutely a psychopath and an emotionless guy. He's just showing off his power. That was the reason giving. That's why he's doing all this black magic. And he's means hypnotizing girls and killing them. Means he was about to kill them or he is killing them. That you have to watch the movie and find out. So why Madhavan? What is the reason? That was not convincing enough. That's it. Other than that, the way activities were shown and the way the scenes were built up and it was leading into the climax and the tension it was giving. Seriously, events, each and every events, the tension it was building. Seriously, it was really, really good. Each and every events were very scary and very dangerous. Really, anything could have happened. And anything could have happened to any of the family members. So the tension was really at stake. So credit has to go to the director Vikas Bahl also. He has kept the essence of this movie. And the main credit has to go to the original Gujarati director Krishnadev Yagnik. And Ajay Devgan also, as a producer, also has pura bazi maar liya hai. As a producer, here in this movie, credit has to go to him also as a producer. Intelligent production. Because he has understood that now if he remakes South Indian movies, it is not going to work at all. लोग मतलब पिक्चर देखने नहीं आएगा, सिर्फ एक दो दिन पिक्चर देखने के लिए आएगा. लेकिन अभी एक पिक्चर रीमेक किया है वश करके, गुजराती फिल्म पिक्चर मतलब पिक्चर का रीमेक किया है वश करके. वो पिक्चर कोई ओटीटी प्लेटफॉर्म में नहीं आया है, ना कि प्राइम वीडियो में, ना कि अमेजॉन में, ना कि नेटफ्लिक्स पे, ना कि जी पे, ना कि हॉटस्टार पे. किसी भी ओटीटी प्लेटफॉर्म में वो पिक्चर अवेलेबल नहीं है. तो मैंने वो पिक्चर नहीं देखा है, ओरिजिनल नहीं देखा है, इसलिए मैंने रीमेक देखा है. तो पब्लिक, आज महाशिवरात्रि था, 12 बजे का शो मैंने देखा, शैतान मूवी पूरा के पूरा मतलब थिएटर हाउसफुल था. So this movie his budget is only 60 crores. So this movie also will become a super hit or a blockbuster tag. Definitely it will get, because the subject is very interesting and the performances are really breathtaking and the screenplay is pura ke pura mazedar and it's a fully roller coaster ride and it's a giving thrilling experience. And the background music by Amit Trivedi is also giving a roller coaster ride. It is giving absolutely a brilliant experience at the theaters. So this movie is going to be a super hit at the box office. Definitely, it is going to be a super hit at the box office. Overall, my ratings for this movie is 4.5 out of 5. 0.5 stars I would have given more if R. Madhavan's reason for doing black magic would have been justified. If there was a personal life touch or anything, or emotional touch, if it would have been justified, then I would have given. But there was no reason also, simply is a psychopath it is shown. So that's it. So definitely go to the theaters and watch Shaitan movie, and you are not going to get disappointed, and you are going to have a roller coaster ride of thrilling experience. And if you like supernatural thrillers and if you like horror movies, definitely this movie is up for you.